I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hot coffee. First, gather your essential supplies: fresh coffee grounds, clean water, and your preferred coffee maker. A drip coffee maker is perfect for this easy method. Make sure your machine is clean to ensure the best flavor. For a standard cup, measure about 2 tablespoons of coffee grounds for every 6 ounces of water you plan to brew. This ratio provides a balanced and delicious cup. Now let's prepare for brewing. Begin by pouring fresh, cold water into your coffee maker's water reservoir. Using cold water helps extract the best flavors from your coffee. Next, if your machine uses a filter, place a new one into the brew basket. Finally, add your measured coffee grounds into the filter, spreading them evenly to ensure consistent saturation during brewing. With everything set, it's time to brew. Turn on your coffee maker and let it do its magic. The brewing process typically takes about 5 to 10 minutes, depending on your machine and the amount of coffee. You'll know it's done when the gurgling sounds stop and the coffee flow ceases. Once brewed, carefully pour the hot, aromatic coffee into your favorite mug and get ready to enjoy. Now for the best part, customizing your perfect cup. Feel free to add milk, cream, sugar, or any other sweetener you enjoy. Don't be afraid to experiment with different coffee roasts and origins to discover new favorite flavors. There are so many delicious options out there. Also, if you're looking to freshen up your ride, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your freshly brewed, easy-to-make hot coffee.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.